So I got a snag in my carpet from my cat. I told him not to get a cat. It's gonna ruin everything. So here's what I got. 3 snags. Oh, I can't believe it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to repair this snag in 30 seconds. So you need a pair of scissors. Okay, zoom in a little closer. So you're just gonna take this and you're gonna poke it right back through into the base. Watch this. You gotta poke it hard. It's gotta go all the way back through. Oops. Let me try it this way. Do that. Gone. Let's try this one. That one's gone. Just don't stab your finger. Gone. Thanks for watching my video.